This is Air Florida. It's a 737-200 Advanced, ADV as they call it. Interesting fact, Air Florida actually had some 737-100s. Those are very rare. There's only a few of those made before they jumped to the 200 and made some upgrades. So this is what we got here, what we're trying to go for with the model airport. We're going to make some terminal buildings. We have some ground vehicles. Tail number for this is 40 Alpha Fox. And it is smaller than a 200. Let's get a 200 out here and see. All right, there is the 100 and the 200. You can definitely see the 200 is longer. Okay, so yes, we've got the 100 here, followed by the 200. So, you know, that's the smallest 737. Now let's take a look at the biggest. This is the 900 version, or this one is actually the 9 Max. Same size as the 9. If you look, it's got not only the 2 overwing emergency exits, but another one back here. First time I saw this plane in real life, I was just in shock. I'm like, look how big that thing is. You know, for a 737, that is a beast. If you're wondering if the 5 and 600 version are smaller than the 200 or 100, no, it's not. It's close, very close to the 200, but it is a little bigger.